here. Now, these are the problems from your textbook, but then your textbook, some of the questions they are not you didn't see in the textbook. So I gave you I didn't give you this one yet. So I'm going to give you this type of question that is not inside your textbook, right? Okay, so we go on with this one first. Li Ying, can you read question number one? 4.7 number one. Cannot see.
There
Can see?
are 12 players in the school handball team.
Yes.
Determine the number of ways a coach can choose 5 players.
Okay.
Five are teacher.
Yes, five players.
As striker 1, striker 2, striker 3, defender 1 and defender 2 to play in a district level competition.
Okay, right. So actually they want to choose five five people. Out of 12, they want to choose five. Now, 12 choose five is actually very easy. But the problem now is that the five people, they are holding different position. They are holding different position in the team. So one has to be striker one. Maybe striker one is at the center one. Then striker two is at the left side. Striker three is on the right side. So if you play football, three, don't know, three, four, three of, they have a lot of arrangement, right? But this is it. Now, we cannot group all these five together and say choose five like that. No, we have to, because they have specific position, so we have to specify them. So to specify them, these 12 people, these 12 player, I call it player one, player two, player three until player 12. Okay, and which of these player is going to hold the striker one place? Ah, okay. Oh dear. Which of these striker, which one going to hold striker two place? So how am I going to do it? I'm going to do it by, I say that there are 12 people here. I want to choose one of them to be the striker one. So I say 12 choose one. And this is for striker one. Next one. Then I have, if I've choose one for striker one, how many more players left to choose from? You already choose one of them and put as striker one. So I only have 11 left. Out of these 11, I choose one to become the striker two. Then, oh, already two player used up. Then I out only 10 left. So 10 choose one, 9 choose one, 8 choose one, like that. Do you know what is the value of 12 choose one? Straight away you tell me from the from here from here 12 choose 1 is how much? This choose 0, choose 1 is here, choose 1. So how much is 12 choose 1?
12.
12, correct. How much is 11 choose 1? 11 choose,
11.
correct. So you just fill up all the numbers there. So the numbers will be 12, 11, 10, 9, and 8. So very good. You know all the special properties of this NCR. Okay. So you multiply them together. 12, 10, 12, 11, 10, 9, and 8. Answer is 95040. Okay. Pass. Now question B. Question B says that play in district level, no restriction. That means there's no condition on these players. Anyone can become striker. You can hold any position. There's no restriction at all. Now, if there's no restriction on the position play by the players, then 12 of them, I just choose 5. Okay, 12 choose 5 to go inside the team. So 12 choose 5 is 792, right? You can use the calculator for shortcut like this, right? But some special numbers you have to remember, like 12C1, 12C12, 12C0, 12C11, then you have to remember, right? If the number bigger, you want to calculate, can, or you want to use the calculator, right? Okay, question number two. Can you read question number two? Class
Class
5.
5 Al
Biruni.
Birun Biruni has 25 pupils. The 3 representatives from the class are selected to attend a motivational camp. Find the number of ways to select the representative.
Okay, so 3 representatives are selected to attend a motivational camp. Find the number of ways. This one is very direct. Can you guess what is the answer? How many C? How many? 25 students. Then you want to select.
25 students, C3.
Correct. 25C3, right? Very easy. 25C3. Wow. Okay. So answer 25C3. You can use the calculator, the scientific calculator, and get the answer, right? So now we have this question here. Question number 3. What are the number of ways to select 4 letters from the letter P, Q, R, S, T, U? This one also very simple. What's the answer? How many you have? How many you want to choose? How many?
6, C4.
Okay, good. 6C4. Right, 6C4. Answer 6C4 is 15. Very good. This one is quite difficult, right? So I'm going to hide everything first. Then I'm going to hide everything first. Okay. Now you read question number 4. Slowly, slowly. A, B.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are the vertices of a regular octagon. Find the number of diagonals that can be formed from the octagon.
Okay, right. Now, you want to form diagonals. Diagonals means this one like that, no? Right? This points, right? So there are 8 points on the circle. So you just take one point, you join to another point, you will get a diagonal. Is that okay? Cannot see. Can see. Okay. So you take one point, you join to another, you will get a diagonal. So that means you need how many points to you need how many points to form a diagonal? How many points to form diagonal? Right? You see here, let's say this line. You take how many points to form this line? 1 point can draw a line or not? 2 points to draw a line? Or you need 3 points to draw a line? How many points is needed to draw a line? The diagonal. You need 2 points. Okay or not? So you choose 2 points. You choose 1 point here, 1 point here, then you choose 1 point here, 1 point here, then you can draw the line like that. So you choose 2 points, you draw 1 line, and that line will be the diagonal. Or I choose another point here, then another point here, then I draw a line, then it becomes a diagonal. Oh. So in order to form a diagonal, you have to choose 2 points. How many points to choose from? You need to choose from how many points? How many points are there? How many points are there in a regular octagon?
8,
8 points, correct. And how many points you need to choose to draw a line? 8 points. How many points
2,
you? Huh?
2,
2, correct.
2,
So the answer should be 8 choose 2 lah, right or not? So 8 points. Right. This is the octagon, right? So you choose any 2 points, and you draw the diagonal there lah. So how many 2 points you can choose, that will be the number of this one. Okay. Well, to draw each diagonal, we need 2 points. So the number of ways to draw diagonal is 8 choose 2. Is that correct? 8 choose 2. Right, correct. It's 8 choose 2. However, now out of this 8 choose 2, these 8 lines here, the blue line here, L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, L6, L7, and L8. These 8 blue lines here, they are not diagonals. They are the side of the octagon. They are the side of the octagon. So they cannot be called the diagonal. So what we need to do is, 8 of them, they are not diagonals. 8 of them, they are the side. So how many diagonals are there? I can draw 28 lines, but not all the 28 lines are diagonals. 8 of them, they are the side of the octagon. They are not diagonal. So how many diagonals I have? So the number of diagonals is, I use 8C2, the total number of lines that I can draw, minus 8, because these 8, they are the side, they are not diagonal. So minus 8. So answer diagonal only 20. I use 28 minus 8, so answer 20. Any question?